5. Go, go, go.
Grandma. Mama.
Ay. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Bye. Mwah. Love you.
Miss mo dito?
Bastin. Kagatis.
Yo, what up guys? Today is April 11. It's a Friday night. Napaka-special na ngayong araw guys. Yung vlog natin tonight ay ang awarding ng 50 greatest players sa PBA. So, sobrang blessed natin. Of course, maraming sobrang deserving na makasama. Pero isa tayo sa napili. So, maraming salamat. Thank you Lord sa lahat ng opportunities. But now, magpe-prepare tayo. Sobrang excited ako ngayon. Nasa Soler North tayo kasi yung awarding dito lang din. So, kumuha kami ng room dito para relax na lang. And dito kami magbibihis at mag-aayos kasi may red carpet daw ngayon. So, syempre kasama natin yung asawa natin mamaya kasi para may taga-cheer tayo daw. Kaya syempre, laging support si Love sa atin kahit sa anong achievement natin sa buhay. So, kita kids! So, ang una natin gagawin, kasi nakaligo na tayo, tapos na ako maligo, kanina pa, mag-toothbrush muna tayo, kasi na-merienda ako galing. After toothbrush, hinamos tayo. Konti. Oops, para fresh yung mukha natin, guys. Okay. Mabilis lang. Para hindi mabitin yung kagupuhan natin sa red carpet. Wow! Minsan lang maging tao eh. Lubos-lubusin na natin.
Yeah, boy.
Di ba? Mama, papa, mama. Wow! Oh my God! Okay, done na tayo. Check natin. Papaayos. No? Oh, tinalo tayo sa outfit check ni Madam. Ayos na ayos si Madam. Let's go, magbibisa tayo. Saan ang meeting natin doon ang mundo? May hombre. Kumusta ang phone? At yung mga negosyo natin sa Spain. Okay guys, so ito na po yung final outfit natin for today's video. Teka lang, pakita natin.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Si Love nasa labas, inaayusan pa rin. Matapos na rin siya doon. Let's go na, baba na tayo para matapos na to. Picture. So, naglalakad na kami papunta sa ballroom na Soler. Oops!
Now joined by one of the newest members of the 50 greatest players, the Stocky.
They're more motivated, no? To go forward, to work hard, and to give the best for about also to be para sa basketball kasi namin na po para sa family nila.
Stocky, maraming salamat. You inspire a lot of kids right now. We cannot wait for the next generation of Thompsons to hit the PBA floor as well. Medyo matagal pa. Let's see him in 25 years. You're the greatest of life.
Sobrang daming tao, tsaka sobrang so nakaka-pop.
Grabe guys, katabi ko ngayon dito sa table mga legend. Bigla ako na starstruck, naging fan ako dito. Naya ako ma-video. Legend, mga legend. Konting pitik lang, mga idol. Ito idol ko.
Ang grabe, boy. Bigo, relax na kayo. Seryoso kayo ba?
We welcome to the roster of the greatest players, Mr. Scotty Thompson! A final 17 points over, 1-time season MVP, a 7-time champion, and a 2-time Western Conference, 6-time participating to the PBA All-Star team, even winning a PBA Sports Budget Award game, multiple mythical first team, and once a mythical second team member. He was also once the most improved player of the league, one of the best rebounding guards we've seen in history, Scotty Thompson!
Thank you. Kinakabahan ako. Mas kinakabahan pa ako.
Once again, everyone, please a warm round of applause for our PBA greatest players in history, celebrating 50 years of the PBA.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Nakuha na natin yung award natin. Thank you Lord. It's been an honor sa iyo lahat to. Of course, very supportive wife natin.
Para kay Aster and Austin.
Grabe na starstruck ako sa mga legend kanina guys. Super. God bless you guys and spread love.
Happy birthday to you.
There's a lot of cars. There you go. Wow. Wow. What's that? What's that?
Love, love. Ay! Love, love.
Wow. I love you. Good morning. The next day, after ng birthday ni Jinky from PBA Greatest Awarding. So, 2 nights kami nagstay dito kasi dito na rin kami nag-dinner kagabi. Early celebration kay Jinky. But ngayong morning, bago kami mag-check out, magsi-swimming kami!
Hi, Aster. Hi, guys.
Say hi!
Hi, guys.
Say hi! Aster.
Oh,
Good
Aster
morning!
is...
Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Swimming na swimming! sa poolside guys, medyo maraming tao kasi Sunday, family day. And nandito din sa may buffet area. Galing namin mag-swimming, mga alas 12, tanghaling tapat. Medyo hindi mainit, no? Love?
Let's go.
Ha? Aster, excited na oh. Aster, wait mo lang. Excited. Huwag kang excited.
Austin! 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 Hi! Swim, Master! Kick! 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 Kick!
Oh, go. Wow. Chillax lang. Love. Aster. Agay. 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 Si Aster. I love you. Kiss ka dito. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Austin, bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Mwah! Bye! Kuya Aster! Bye-bye vlog!
Bye-bye.
Sir.
Bye.
Ikaw na lang, Austin! Flying kiss!
Love, 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 love. Mag-love, kiss, love, kiss.
Bye! Agay!
Agay.
Wow!
Oh, love, love, puso. Love, love, puso.
Love, love!
Love, love. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for the love and support kay Aster and Austin. Let's get it! Brrr. Flying kiss!